lot of times people are not prepared to do business funding. So when they come in for funding and they don't have the qualifications to actually get business funding, they're able to get you up to $150,000 in personal funding, but sometimes that can go up to $600,000. Usually it'll land somewhere between $50,000 and $150,000. So next we're going to talk about business funding, right? There's a lot of people on the internet that are talking about business funding, but they absolutely have no idea how business funding works, and they actually don't have the ability to help you get along. So let me give you the exact requirements that you need in order to do business funding. You need an LLC that was open for 2 years or more. It can be an S Corp, a C Corp, but it needs to be open for 2 years or more. If you do not, you are going to be limited in the amount of business funding you can do. Most banks are requiring 2 years or more because they want to know that your business has longevity and it's not something you created just to get a loans and fold. Number 2, you have to have at least 6 months bank statements. Stop right now if you don't already have this and go open up an LLC. If you don't know what to do with your LLC, then get a business consulting LLC, because business consulting is very easy for banks to fund, and you can move that LLC into multiple industries should you decide to pivot out of the one that you're in right now. I strongly encourage all of you to get multiple LLCs, because each one of your businesses is like another human being that you can get funding for. You need the same things, right? So we're going through the docs. You need an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp that was open for 2 years or more. You need to have at least 6 months bank statements. You're still going to need a utility bill. You're still going to need your social security card. You're still going to need your driver's license. And you're going to need your EIN letter from the IRS to prove that you are the owner of your business. These are the documents that you need to have in a separate folder on your computer to prepare you for your business funding. So every month when you get a new utility bill, put it in a folder. You're also going to need a void check from your business bank account as well. For your credit, you're going to need 2 things. You're going to need a credit score of 680 or better. Same thing with personal funding. You're going to need a credit score of 680 or better. Or you are going to need a business credit score, which is called a Paydex score, and a DUNS number. Now we can help you structure all of those things too, but all of these things cost. So a lot of times what I tell individuals that are looking for funding, if you don't have a business, get the personal loan first. Use a portion of that money to build up your business credit. Business funding can be perpetuitous. There's so many different loans that you can get for your business. Unlimited SBA loans. There's ERC-20 loans right now. There are business lines of credit, which they call locks. Cash lines against your business. Working capital loan. Business credit cards. All of these things you can actually get with your business, as long as your business has these items that we are talking about. Even if you're just opening up a business today, you're looking for business funding in 6 months, you need to have all of these documents organized.